NISBET conducts a large number of international training programs. Typically in a year, we conduct something like 5 to 8 international programs of 8 weeks duration, generally. These programs are on small business planning, business advisors, women entrepreneurship, income generation, HRD, etc. Sometimes these international programs are country specific, tailor-made to the requirement of a specific country. It could be Russia, the CIS countries, Bangladesh, Nepal, and so on. These programs benefits the participants both professionally and personally.
NISBET completes its mission of global reach with its international programs that provide an edge to the institute via exchange of knowledge, technology, and ideas through interaction between the participants. NISBET is equally concerned about people from weaker sections of society as it believes in an inclusive growth and is ready to help the Government of India in its scheme Rajiv Gandhi Udyami Mitra Yojana.
Rajiv Gandhi Udyami Mitra Yojana is meant for first generation entrepreneurs. The first generation entrepreneurs are those who have no family business background and new to the business environment. The objective of this scheme is to provide hand-holding support and assistance to first generation entrepreneurs who have successfully completed the EDP training. This scheme, through its Udyami Mitra, takes care right from selection of entrepreneurs, preparation of project reports, helping in arranging bank finance, and eventually successfully running the enterprise by the first generation entrepreneurs.
Rajiv Gandhi Udyami Mitra Yojana, a scheme under which 484 participants till date have received post-training support in establishing their own enterprises.
In India, we have the largest number of young people in the world. So our strategy is how to skill these people. Our vision is that by 2022, we will skill 500 million people in the country. NISBET, being a premier institution for skill development and entrepreneurship, has to play a pioneering role in this effort. They have so far, last year, trained about 10,000 people in their institute. I am sure NISBET will be able to develop new models to cover more and more people in the country. I wish NISBET all success in this venture because they are one of the premier institutions of this ministry.
NISBET is one of the premier entrepreneurship development institute of the country under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. It has been rendering a very good service to the nation by providing training to the potential entrepreneurs who will be setting up new enterprises. Recently, it has also come up with a very good institution scheme for partner institutions through which they provide the training material, they provide trainers training, they help them in preparation of training manuals, and through the partner institutions the programs are undertaken. And I am happy to note that NISBET has already made 27 partner institutions, and hopefully they will increase this number even more in future and increase their reach to the remotest corner of the country. I wish NISBET well, and I hope that they will continue to serve the nation in the way they are doing.
देश के सूक्ष्म और लघु उद्यम विभाग, उनका आर्थिक विकास में एक बहुत बड़ा योगदान है और ये योगदान में और भी आगे बढ़ावा करने के लिए देश की यूपीए सरकार ने बहुत सी स्कीमें रखी गई है। उसमें ज़्यादातर यंगस्टरों को आकर्षित करने के लिए और यंगस्टर इसमें ज़्यादा जुड़े, इसके लिए बहुत सी योजनाएं बनाई गई है और बहुत सी योजनाएं द्वारा उनको क्या करना है और कैसे छोटा सा उद्यम कर सके, ऐसी बातें बताई जा रही है। NISBET संस्थान जो नोएडा में युवाओं के लिए और टेक्निकल लोगों के लिए जो काम कर रहा है, तो मैं उन्हें धन्यवाद और मुबारकबादी देता हूं और NISBET भी अच्छे तरीके से काम करे और उनको पूरी ताकत और शक्ति मिले, ऐसी मैं प्रार्थना भी करता हूं।
Under the guidance of current Director General Mr. K.R. Arya, NISBUD has become a self-sustaining body.
NISBUD shall continue to offer quality and innovative programs in newer areas, where such program would be Master Program in Entrepreneurship and Management, Skill Program for Self-Employment, Skill Training for Job Markets, where India can earn a demographic dividends in the growing economy. Such program can also be held in the areas of incubation centers in various sectors, and the program for the development of EDIs in the country and at global level. NISBUD would continue to strive for an India where an entrepreneur can compete and seize the opportunity in the globalized world, and where the entrepreneurship movement can go forward for the benefit of society. We are proud of being a part of this prestigious organization, Udyami Labte Siddham.
NISBUD is now making sure that people of this country become achievers by encompassing the spirit of entrepreneurship and determination, and thereby creating something out of nothing.